There's that oil damage. You can see all that is oil. That's oil. That's oil. That's oil. That's oil. Let's follow it up the street. Look at what this, how did this even happen? All the way up here. There's another line right here that goes just as far, if not longer. I feel like this is the line he came in. It's all the way. I've now gone like 4 houses. It's still going. Still going. Still going. Yeah, look at this. All the way up here. I don't know why he was even on that side of the cul-de-sac, but here's that oil from whenever he entered our street. Wow, it's all the way back here on the previous street. It starts all the way over there. Probably further back as well. It goes around that corner from this stop sign over here. He went down to the right, and then he went down by my house, and he tracked oil everywhere.